Primeiru Ministru alerta konaba risku husi Intelijensia Artifisial ba nasaun Xefe Governu colhida simeira siensia ba dezenvolvimentu. E a abertura simeira siensia ba dezenvolvimentu na realiza esta segunda semana, Primeiru Ministru Xefe Governu alerta konaba risku sira husi Intelijensia Artifisial ba nasaun. Xefe Governu reconhece a presença de inteligência artificial pela fácil liutan serviço sira, mas bem e amos risco. Também apela para a entidade roto a cuidado o risco sira.
AI can make scams, fraud and political misinformation for more convincing by creating realistic voices, images and videos of things that never happened. The danger is not only that people will believe what is false. If anything can be fabricated, people may also begin to doubt what is true. Scams, frauds, we are facing this problem right now. But we need to understand what this could mean for our democracy and for the trust people place in public institutions. There is also a risk to our sovereignty.
Líder órgão executivo MOS considera que Timor-Leste precisa consolidar a educação científica, técnica, não desenvolve capacidade institucional, não é MOS continua encorajado a vencer a continuar a aprender ciência e tecnologia, onde contribui para o desenvolvimento nacional.
Artificial intelligence will also become part of everyday life, but it is only one part of our much wider scientific and technological transformation. The largest challenge is whether Timor-Leste has the knowledge and skills to understand these changes and use them for our own development. We therefore need to strengthen scientific and technical education and build the capacity of our universities. Government must also understand the technologies it chooses to adopt so that we can make the most of their benefits while protecting our people and our country from new risks. As we embrace scientific progress, we should remember that technology is a tool to improve human life, not to diminish the things that make us human. We must still leave space for poetry of life.
Simeira participa husi perito cientista sira husi nação UN, laureado Nobel da Paz husi Índia no acadêmico sira. Simeira realiza durante loron roa a husi loron resen hat to loron resen lima fulane. Li husi Simeira a tu partilha conhecimento na experiência global onde apoia desenvolvimento nacional e a área agricultura, saúde, educação no tecnologia. Simão Ximenes, Yemen.